Aloha everybody, welcome to Cooking It Up with Misty. Today we're going to make my absolute favorite dish. It is called my herb crusted salmon with lemon caper sauce. So as you can see right here, I am adding black pepper and garlic powder to the sauce. Also, I add some Himalaya salt as well to it. And then I slice it so then that way it can be able to fit in my pan in like small fillets. The skin's a little tough, so make sure you have a sharp knife. And then what we're gonna do is we are going to mix in the bowl, as you can see right there, some parsley flakes and some basil leaf flakes. After you get it all mixed up in there, then you want to add the salmon, coat it on both sides, put it back on your chopping board, and coat all of it. So then that way when it's ready to fry, you have like everything ready and you don't need to worry about it overcooking. This is an absolute favorite dish of mine. Like the basil and the parsley works really good. So I'm adding the roasted garlic infused avocado oil into the pan. I'm gonna get it nice and hot so I can fry the salmon. So what you want to do with the salmon is you want to add it down, not the skin side first, but the top first, and then save the skin for last. And then while it's cooking, you're going to want to move the oil onto the top part of the salmon, so then that way the herbs can stick instead of falling off when you turn it. That's just what I do. So then you turn it sideways and then you just let it cook for a little while so you get that skin nice and crispy. Then while that's cooking, you want to make your lemon caper sauce. So right there I have some parsley, and then I added the capers, and right now I'm adding the lemon, not the lemon but the mayo to it, and then adding lemon juice, and then I put it onto puree. I also add some black pepper in there, and I also add some fresh garlic as well. When making the sauce, it's really all a matter of how much salmon that you have. You can add more mayo to it if needed, so you can make sure that you have the sauce for everybody's salmon. Also, this sauce is really good to keep even if you're not going to eat it with the salmon. Also very good for like salad dressing. That's what I use with the rest of the dressing, the rest of the caper sauce when we're done eating and we have leftovers. So usually this dish goes with asparagus, but because the store was out of asparagus, I am cooking up some sauteed spinach. So I have the butter and the minced garlic. Right now I'm adding the spinach to it. So you just want to cook it down and add some more to make sure that you have enough for everyone in your family. Also, when plating, you'll see at the end of this clip that I put the sauteed spinach on the bottom, then I add some of the lemon caper sauce on top of the sauteed spinach, then I add the salmon on top, and then drizzle some caper sauce as well on top of it. Also, if you have white truffle oil, just add a little bit to it and it's amazing. And then add like a nice lemon wedge on like sliced lemon on top of it, and then you can eat it with mashed potatoes, or you can eat it like how I have in the dish at the end with some avocados. Once again, this is my herb crusted salmon with lemon caper sauce. Be sure to like and share if you like this video. Don't forget to share it and subscribe. Okay, mahalo. Thank you for joining me in my kitchen.